Hi guys, welcome to CodeChef. So this is C++ projects, and today we'll be discussing about guess the number project. So this project is very simple. So I'll explain what this project is. Basically, the computer will ask you to enter a number between 1 to 100 and you have to enter that. And then we give you steps where it shows you that whether you're close to that number or you're not. For example, if the number is, let's say, 5 or let's say 15, and you enter between 10 to 25, that is plus or minus 10 from that number, we tell it is hot, or else we tell it is cold. So once you get that hot, you have to keep getting that, try to get that hot, and once you get that hot, you have to try and identify which number is the one which the computer has generated. So that is what is there in this system. So now let us move this. So this is divided into three parts. So let us see the first part of this program. So in this first part, what we are doing is generating a random number. So we are using the random function from the CS std library, and we have to generate a random number. So let's see the code. So first we have a function called getRandomNumber. In this, initially we are making that seed initialized as false, ensuring that the seed is initialized only once, so it is not initialized multiple times. And then we are using static so that it remembers whatever the number was initialized. Now, if the seed was not initialized, that is for the first time, we run srand and s times. So what happens is at that particular time, the random library is called, and then it generates a random number, and then we set the seed initialized as true. So again, this function is not called. Now, for the random number, we need a minimum and a maximum integer. So we take the minimum as 1 and the maximum as 100. So we need the numbers from 1 to 100. And now, how do we generate the random number is basically, we're taking an int for the random number, and whichever number is called, we're taking the modulus of the max minus min plus 1. So basically 100 minus 1 plus 1. So that again means from 1 to 100, we're taking the random number, and then we are giving the random number as the output. Now the main function is called, and we have the std out. We are displaying whatever the random number is through the function. Now let me run the program. Okay, so you can see the number which the system has generated is 39. If we run this again, so it keeps generating a new number every time, and if a different number every time. So you can see it keeps generating a different number. Now let me run it again. 14. So yeah, let me submit the program. That is how this is working. In the next part, we'll be continuing this program. So I'll see you in the next program.